Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a GoPro Anywhere clamp. This was like $5 at Lowe's. I wanted kind of a heavy duty one, you know, plus some rubber ends on it. Basically I'm going to take that plus a GoPro tripod mount and a 1/4 by 20 thread by 1/2 inch bolt that fits into the back side of this. And I got some washers just in case. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to drill a hole through this, mount that, bolt from this side with a washer. Okay, so it doesn't pull through. Excuse me. Okay, and I've got the 7/32 drill bit here to drill through, and it's made to drill through steel, so make it a little easier. But basically when it's done, then your camera will be mounted here like this, and then you can clamp it anywhere. So alright, let's get to it. Well, that went through easier than I thought. Okay. Washer, go through the hole. And you can use different brackets on this, because if you put the camera here, basically all you can do is go front and back, or if you've got it this way. But then if you take another one and put it on, then that'll allow you to go, you know, kind of get a 360-degree swivel turn. Plus it gives it a little bit of height. You can change the height and whatnot, but depending on how you want it. Oh. I can already see a design flaw, which I'll just easily fix. I'm going to tighten this up one more. There. A lot easier to tighten this when you don't have the nut in the way. I mean the clamp. Alright, there. So hopefully you can see that. Okay. So now, depending on anywhere you are, you can clamp that on something. And obviously, as you can tell, the camera's going this way, but then if I took this and put it on, but I can swivel back and forth this way. If I put this one on, then I can go back and forth this way. So basically I get two different degrees of change. And this clamp is pretty strong, so it'll easily hold the weight of this camera, plus even a few extra mounts you put on it. But there you go. Thank you.